Welcome everyone to the quick tech tutorial. Today for this video of quick tech, I will be showing you how you can log out from your Roblox account. To begin the process, open the application. As you can see in the Roblox application, I am currently logged into my account. Now for me to log out from this device, what I need to do is tap on the dotted lines on the bottom right corner. Tap that. Then here on this page you scroll down to the very bottom and you will have the logout option. You tap on logout. Are you sure you want to log out? Tap on logout option, which will get you logged out from the Roblox account to the Roblox homepage. So this is how you can easily log out Roblox. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the quick tech tutorial. Thank you.